All right, so next video, welcome back. So Sarah can mow a lawn in 30 minutes or the lawn in 30 minutes. Jill can mow the lawn in 20 minutes. If they work together, how long will it take them? So we're going to do the same thing that we did before. So we're going to go ahead and issue ourselves a let statement. So let 1/30th T represent Sarah, right? How long it's going to take Sarah to mow the lawn. And then we're going to let 1/20th T represent Jill. So what you do is whatever they give you, like whatever rate they give you, you always put it under a 1 and you always put T next to it because that's going to represent the time. So that's going to see how much time it's going to take. So 1/30th T is Sarah and 1/20th T is Jill. So together, right, the 1/30th T plus the 1/20th T, together they're gonna mow one whole yard. So we want to see how much this is. So from middle school, we remember that we look for the greatest common, the least common denominator, right? So between 30 and 20, 60 goes into both. I'm not sure if you want me to go over how. So multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, right? Multiples of 30 are 30, 60. So the least common denominator is 60. So to get from 30 to 60, you multiply by 2. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. You put a t. And over here, same thing, right? To get from 20 to 60, you multiply by 3. So multiply this by 3 as well, and you get 3 over 60. T is equal to 60 over 60 is the same thing as 1 whole. So remember 1 is equal to 1 over 1, right? 2 over 2, 3 over 3, so on and so forth. So 60 over 60 is equal to 1 whole. So far right now we have the same denominator. So you can just go ahead and eliminate the denominators. So all of them are the same. We kind of went through this before. Um, I'll do it two ways. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Method one, I'm gonna call it, is just eliminate the denominators. So we have 2t. It's always sitting on the computer, literally. 2t plus 3t is equal to 60. So we get 5t is equal to 60, and divide both sides by 5 and you get t is equal to 12. So it's going to take 12 minutes. The second way to do it, if you did not remember about eliminating the denominator, is 2 over 60t plus 3 over 60t is 5 over 60t is equal to 60 over 60, right? Or you could say 1 whole. Um, and so at this point, you could just go ahead and if you want to cross multiply, you can cross multiply. So if you do that, you're going to get 300t is equal to 60 times 60 is 3600, right? And then divide both sides by 300, and so then you still get t is equal to 12. So either way you do it, you still get t is equal to 12 bucks. T is equal to 12 minutes, right? Okay.